Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to open up all three of these toys. So, let's get started.
All right, Maddie, open your first toy.
I'm going to open my boy. So, let's get opening. Woo! Wow. Let's see it. Here it is.
Wow.
Let's open.
Now you got a boy to play with Audrey.
Yay! Yeah. There we go. Yay! Let's get him out. Oh, he's so good. Oh, there we go. Now we got it. That's right. Yay! We got him. So here it is. And he can put him hands up like this.
All right, now start yours, Audrey.
Okay, so I'm gonna be opening up this Chelsea.
All right, let me zoom in. Can I see it? Wow.
Okay, so first, let me show you the doll. This is the doll, Chelsea. And then she also came with a blanket.
Is that
No,
a
sleeping
bedtime
bag.
Chelsea?
It's a sleeping bag, actually. There's a pillow. And then she has and this is the picture what a blue pillow. And then you can get this. A little owl. Trying to get it out. Yeah, there we go. A cute little owl. I'm just joking. This like a lantern thing. Looks like a lantern. Yeah. And then like this metal. And then the last thing is binoculars. Okay, now open your last toy. It's this Ariel toy. So it's open.
Start opening it.
Here it is. It's
Yup.
out of the box. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get scissors. Already got it. Got it. No, Audrey, you have to cover here. No, I will.
Here, guys, let me do it. Audrey, hold the camera.
Okay, I will.
Point it at Maddie. Here, I can get it for you. Look.
All right, so tonight.
So then we go from here, and then
Here's Audrey. Everybody already. Yeah. And her long hair. You forgot to see that. He's almost done opening it.
so
My brother's almost took it. My brother's in the video now. Yeah. I'm so happy I got two Barbies. That was really fun, right, video? Right? Right, everyone now. Everyone, right? Okay, now. Okay, I'm gonna go to Crystal. Yeah, her little peace sign. Order the video. Don't block the video. Don't cut her hair. One, two. Don't cut it. It's so bad. Hey! Everyone, you like this video? Subscribe to our next video. No, I'm not going to stop it. Okay.
Did you stop it?
No.
Oh. You said you were going to stop it.
No, I said I won't stop it. And that was in the video. And you
So-
will never see our next video. It's hard to find. But it's not
If you
that.
subscribe and turn on notifications, you can see all of them.
Yes.
Just like I am.
Yeah. Yeah. Everyone, Hi. Let Kiki. Her Audrey. The video's already been 6 minutes. So
Here's your Ariel.
Here she is, everyone. Here is
Her shoes
Ariel.
fell off.
Oh no!
She had a lot of glitter.
Yep. She has a lot of glitter on her dress. And
Put them on like this.
her dress is diamond. Okay, Chris, over here.
And then you put it on the other foot.
Only person left is her looking like a mermaid and her little pet fish.
And then here we go. They fell off again.
Okay, Chris.
And
Feather suit. What am I doing? Here she is. Look, everyone's here. She has a beautiful dress.